Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today we will show you how to repair a damage like this. It's not deep, you can scrub against it. So we will be using this kit from Meguiar's scratch eraser kit for scruffs and for scruff and paint transfer. So we will show you how to do this, because obviously this needs to be white again. So yeah, let's get right to it. So this kit comes with a pad and Meguiar's Scratch 2.0. So we're gonna see if it works. Just a little bit on the pad, and now okay, so now we have to clean this with a wet towel and get it all off. I have no idea if I'm doing this right. Guess I am. Yeah, that should do it. Didn't do anything, but let's try it out. Now we have to do again the buffing and then just wash it away with a towel that has given to us by Meguiar's. So let's hop on to it. So now we will clean it up. Okay, so well, as you can see, all we have to do is wipe the dust away with this cloth that was provided to us. So there's almost nothing left, just a minor scratch, but yeah, that is not gonna go out with this, but it's better than it was, isn't it? So yeah, that if you like this video, thumbs up, leave a comment, and make sure you stay tuned for next upgrades, and yeah, subscribe if you want to. See you next time. Bye guys.